Hello class, I hope you enjoyed Diwali. Class, now we will start with English literature. Now we will read the poem, and the name of the poem is The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound. It is in page number 53. So come to page number 53. Here you can see in this page there is a bird robin and there is a small child also. Okay, now let's read what is in this poem. Read this poem about a child who learns to look at nature and enjoy its beauty. So in this poem we are going to learn about a small child. You can see in the picture there is a small boy. So we are going to learn how the boy he enjoys looking at the nature. Okay, so let's start with the poem. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees. A strong high branch on which to rest. A safe dry ledge to hold its nest. Now here this bird robin, you can see, which is sitting on the branch. Okay, so this bird is making a laughing sound, and the boy, he is delighted with the robin and its song. Okay, the robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around. So whenever this bird robin sings or makes a laughing sound, the boy stops and he start looking around, okay, to see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees. So he looks that where the bird is looking at. Is the bird looking at the branches of the tree, or is the bird looking at the green trees? A strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. Or the bird is looking for a strong branch, a strong high branch where the bird can make its nest. Or the bird is looking at the high branches which are very strong, which are very thick, where he can make its nest. Okay, the robin makes a laughing sound. I stop, I always look around. So here the boy is always here the bird is making a laughing sound, and whenever the bird robin makes a laughing sound, this little boy, he stops and he looks around that why this bird is singing. Is it looking at the trees? Is it looking at the branches, or is it looking at the nature? So because of this bird robin, the boy is able to see the nature. He is able to admire the nature. He is able to see the green trees, the branches, okay, the green leaves of the trees. So he is able to notice the nature because of this bird robin. So class, I hope you have understood this poem. So in this poem we have read this how this boy, small boy, he is able to notice the nature because of the bird, because of the sound of the laughing sound of the bird. He is able to notice the nature and its beauty. Now class, can you name some rhyming words? Yes. So in the first two lines you can see the rhyming words sound, around. These are two rhyming words, sound, around. Then seas, trees. Then rest, nest. So rest, nest, they are rhyming words. Okay, if you could find more rhyming words, then then you can write it in your notebook. So class, I hope you have understood this poem. In case of any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. Please do the question and answers properly. Please read the questions properly. Please read the question properly and understand what the question is asking, okay, and then answer the question. And class, you have to try to write the answer in your own language, okay, in your own words you have to write the answer. Please do not copy the language of the book or the lines from the book, okay, and please do your work neatly and properly and submit it on time. Take care.